Well, the fact of the matter is I do get discouraged. It happens often, as any traditional practice. You have good days, you have bad days, but it's what you do with that discouragement and how you move on and how you use it as a motivator for the various projects. So I approach each project actually very encouraged. I love a blank page. I love starting something from scratch. And then I get to wear a lot of different hats as the project continues. Before the project even begins, I put on the hat as a researcher. I look through analytics, statistics, see who is being served, who isn't being served, or underserved. And then I mold the project, think about the project in ways to help target that particular population. So I'll wear a hat as a researcher, and that can be very discouraging when you see the numbers of how many people are not getting true, meaningful access to justice. So that discouragement really turns to motivation to do something about it. That's what fuels me, and that's how I keep my projects going. I hopefully think of good ideas. I have been funded over 17 times through the Legal Services Corporation, various other grants. I write the grant, I manage the grant, but I do the work, and then hopefully have a successful project. So that's, if I do get discouraged, if I do get down, and certainly we all do here at Legal Aid, it's a high volume, a lot of clients, a lot of sad stories, but that's also the very same side or different side of the coin that wants you to keep doing something every day. And that's how I mold my projects, and that's what pushes me to keep going. After the research phase, not that that really ever ends, but I get to put on hats of artist. Yes, I think you can be an artist and a lawyer at the same time, and I create logos and brands and things to really help deliver this to the target audience. I have three main target audiences: those who are just excluded from the court system, the pro se, self-help, do-it-yourself type of litigant, and by far that's what a lot of my resources do. And I create tools in plain language, not legal jargon, that will help them navigate the often intimidating court system that we have, not just here in Arkansas, but nationally. And that's always very satisfying and encouraging when you get an email or a phone call from a pro se litigant who said, "I couldn't do this without you. Thank you." And that certainly will pick up your day and get rid of some of that discouragement. My other two primary target audiences are pro bono attorneys and, of course, legal aid staff, which I am one of. And legal aiders have a very, very high volume of clients. We did approximately 17,000 clients last year, 1 year alone, 17,000 clients with 35 attorneys at best. So I create systems, software, technology, online solutions to help streamline their efforts so we can help and serve more low-income clients. And also pro bono attorneys. I create everything from wikis to automated documents to streaming videos to help them understand a case maybe they have no experience with. Maybe they've never dealt with a foreclosure where someone could be homeless in a matter of days if we don't do something, or a domestic violence case where we have clients die if the right paperwork isn't filed and orders of protection aren't gathered, and it's serious business. And we help them get up to speed quickly with that, with manuals and other tutorials. And I'm very proud that I can help provide those materials to the pro bono attorney as well. But ultimately, the whole goal is to provide more meaningful access to justice here in Arkansas and the national projects that I worked on as well. So the discouragement really is, it can become encouragement just as quickly. And I wear these different hats between artist and researcher, manager, director, graphic designer, computer programmer. Every day is a new day for me, and I just love that blank sheet of paper. The law can be a creative, innovative, wonderful, and noble thing, and some of us maybe, or some of the public has forgotten the nobility that can take place of the law. But I keep in mind every day the vow, the oath I took as an Arkansas attorney to never forget the oppressed and to always pursue justice for those who otherwise would not have it. And I believe it deep in my heart and my soul. And maybe not every day, but once a week, I look at my license and my oath, and I remind myself of that. And so every one of these projects that I do, that I've sustained and kept going and has become a true mean of critical service delivery, is really fueled by that motivation. And I believe that that's my duty and my job as an attorney. And that's the type of attorney I want to be. And I'm thankful that I found a place to where every day can be a blank page, and I can fill it with good, wonderful things that hopefully will increase justice for all.
Awesome. Great, great, great.